What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm Crystal, one half of For Love of the Mouse, and we just checked in to Walt Disney World. If you are new around here, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, click that bell notification so that you can be notified every time we release a video, and that like button if you like what we're doing, and if you like Disney content, because we're in Disney World. So excited. We are staying at the Wyndham Bonnet Creek, which is on Disney property, but not a Walt Disney World resort, and we are going to show you our deluxe 1-bedroom. So we have stayed here before and we absolutely love it. Here we are in Building 5, room 191, and we are right next to one of the pools. Now this is not the main pool, but there are several pools here, and this is a really cool themed pool because there's like some pirate ship stuff going on out there. It's really, really cool. If you guys have ever stayed here, do let us know in the comments and what you thought of it and if you would stay here again. So without further ado, let's jump right into this room tour. So we are here at the Wyndham Bonnet Creek. This is one of our favorite places to stay off property at Disney. We are in Building 5, room 191, and Wyndham is going band. We've got bands that operate that allow us to get into the pool areas, all the gated areas, and our room. So we have a 1-bedroom here at the Wyndham. And when you first walk in, you walk into the dining area, which is a full dining room table with 6 chairs. You also have your kitchen, which is a full kitchen. I'll show you that more in detail in just a minute. And your living area. Over here, we've got our fridge and our freezer, of course, microwave, oven, and stove, toaster. We've got some mixing bowls and a measuring cup, glasses, wine glasses, and then we also have plates and things in this cabinet. In addition, we have our coffee maker, comes complete with some coffees, and also a mixer, which is, a blender, which is new. I don't remember that from last time we were here. I love this little breakfast bar area, perfect for if you're going to cook breakfast here or have a little snack here. Then of course you've got your dishwasher, which is fantastic. Your phone here. We're gonna go into the bathroom. The bathroom has 2 entrances. So this is the entrance from the kitchen area, and then you have your full shower. I actually really like this shower. I remember it from last time. You've got your toiletries there, and your pretty awesome shower, which has its own light in there because it's a little bit dark. Your toilet area, extra towels, and then here's 1 of 2 sinks, which is really great because it means that I can be getting ready because I take so much longer to get ready, and Bryson can shower and do whatever he needs to do in here. So this is the other vanity area. This is where I will get ready. And it also has a makeup mirror, which is perfect. And then this is fantastic. This is a great soaking tub. I've actually used the soaking tub in another room we stayed at that was the exact same but in a different building, and I just love the way this is laid out. So then you have your second entrance obviously into the bathroom. We have our full-length mirror, which you've got to of course check your park outfit. And then here in the bedroom, we've got our king-size bed, which is magic. We love the king-size bed. We prefer to have a king-size bed when we travel because we have a king-size bed at home, so that's just what we like. You have your 2 nightstands there, and then your fan with your light there, and your TV, chest of drawers, and closet over there. Our room is on the 1st floor of Building 5, so we look out on the pool area. It's kind of hard to see because it's super bright out there, but one of the pools is out there, which is great. We will definitely be taking advantage of the pool while we're here. So then you come out of the bedroom and you have, again, your living space, which we have another TV, and then some more storage areas. We have 2 chairs, a couch that folds out into a bed, plus your tables over here, and then you have your chairs at the breakfast bar. This is a really great size. I love the size of this room. This is perfect. We're probably gonna go to the store and get a few snacky things to have on hand. And then we also, Bryson's out there, but we also have a patio here, which is great, and it looks out onto the pool, which is perfect. We love this resort. There's also a lazy river here, which is really great, and this is not even the main pool. This is actually like a side pool, so really terrific. If you've ever stayed at the Wyndham Bonnet Creek, definitely let us know. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. We love it here at Wyndham Bonnet Creek. We've stayed here several times, highly recommend it. And we would love to know in the comments, what is your favorite Disney resort or non-Disney resort here in Walt Disney World? If you are new around here, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click that bell notification so that you can be notified every time we release a video. And click that like button if you like what we're doing and you like Disney content, because we have so much Disney content coming for you. We just checked in and we are so excited to get to the parks. That's actually where we're headed right now. So I'm gonna go and get changed because I'm still in my plain attire and it's hot out there. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.
We only need